Connected. Awesome. Sorry if we just dropped the feed real quick. I'm going to go full screen again as we get closer to totality, and we're going to enjoy it together. Oh, this is so cool.
I think folks might be disconnecting, and so that's messing with our own connection.
Okay. Nope, that way. Right there. Folks, it is wild how dark it's getting here. It is probably like I would say half the brightness as it normally does at this time of day. We are slowly but surely approaching totality, so we're getting closer and closer. You are definitely seeing the moon moving pretty quick, actually. Holy cow, that's moving fast. Are we almost there?
Yeah. 4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes out. If you look, you can actually see the moon starting slowly but surely to cover this edge here. So we may mute while this happens. I'm going to do my best to get this back in picture. I'm going to go 1:1 again. Actually go full screen again. And thank you for being here. So again, my name is Paige Havener. I am the director of ISU's John C Hook Observatory. I'm joined by Sean Donlan and Lila Klatz today, and we hope you're having a great time. We have 600 people here. Why are those lights on? Okay. 632 people. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are so happy you're here and watching with us. I'll run really quickly through our equipment once again. So we're working with a CGEM 2 equatorial mount from Celestron. We're working with a Lunt 80 MT telescope. It's a hydrogen alpha filter. And then the last thing they're working with is a ZWO ASI 200 what is it? I don't remember. It's some kind of deep space telescope from ZWO. So it's wonderful. Okay, it's 3 p.m. We've got 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. We're getting closer and closer. I'm getting really excited. I don't know if you guys can tell. We're having a great time here. The lights are starting to come on out here. I hope they're going to turn out again soon.
I am feeling absolutely giddy.
How are you feeling, Sean?
I'm feeling very excited.
We're getting awesome. This is so cool. For those of you that don't know, this is my first total eclipse ever. So I wasn't in this line of totality for 2017. I'm a space nerd. I'm having a great time. Thanks for stopping by. Oh my god, this is so cool. We're getting so close to totality now. I'm going to have to start messing with some settings. So let's see if we can drop our, increase our exposure actually. Let's increase our gamma. Increase our gain a little bit. So we can pull out those prominences. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So let's see if we can get some good pictures here. Drop that back, save it. Slowly but surely, we are approaching totality. We are 2 minutes out, 2 minutes out. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
And we're so excited you're here with us. Okay, I'm gonna shift our telescope a little bit. Nope, wrong way.
Other way, yeah.
We're gonna leave it right there so we can get the corona.
Ready? It's 3:03.
Okay. We are on a countdown now. We are so close to totality. I am going to full screen us and we're gonna watch it happen in its fullness. So I'm putting on my glasses and we'll see you on the other side.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow.
This is so cool. It's getting dark, it's getting cold. We should be able to see Bailey beads and things coming up real quick. Diamond ring is on its way. Hopefully it's going to show up on our camera. We can fix it when we get to it. If not, I'm so sorry. I'm going to take one more cool picture. And I think we're almost there. We're almost there. It's so cool. Okay, there's just a tiny little sliver left. We're almost to totality. Thank you so much for watching our stream. If you can hear it, everyone's cheering. Here we go.
Woo!
Diamond ring, diamond ring, diamond ring, diamond ring. Woo! Up our exposure, up our game.
Oh my god.
Let me up our gamma. Welcome to totality, folks.
Wow.
We're having a great time here.
Oh my god.
I need to look at this in a second. Up our brightness a little bit.
Wow.
Did you see shadow bands at all?
No, I'm looking around.
I gotta back out.
Wow. Okay, we should.
Holy shit. Okay, so if any of you are in totality right now, below the sun, that is Jupiter. Or no, it's Venus. It's Venus. Up to the left, that is Jupiter. There is a comet. I don't think we can see it right now. I'm kind of losing my mind, folks. This is amazing. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Oh my god. Wow.
I'm taking pictures. Oh my god, that's so cool! Look, Harak! That's so freaking cool! Do you guys want to howl?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
Let me start messing with some settings here, see if I can get it
Wow, this is amazing.
going.
This is amazing. You can see the corona. Paige, you have to look at it. Look at that.
God, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's getting brighter.
Yeah.
You can see solar flares on the video. Just a little bit. Right down in here. Okay. Holy crap, this is so cool!
I can't get it on my phone, but I got it on the Polaroid. Oh, glasses on! Glasses on!
Put your glasses
Glasses on! Wow. Oh my gosh. So folks at home, if you're also looking with us, it's time. If you're outside, please put your glasses on.
If you're near us.
Near
Yes.
us, yeah.
Okay, I need to drop my exposure back again so we get closer. Let's go there. If you look down here, we've got a little bit of what looks like a solar flare. There's a couple of flares going on. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna readjust our
We're seeing some
settings.
behind us right now.
Oh, shadow bands?
Oh, shadow bands. Yeah. Check it out.
Holy crap!
Look at these. The shadow bands.
We have shadow bands here in Terre Haute, which is really, really cool. Holy crap, that's so awesome!
I want to go check out the water really quick.
Yeah. Don't go away yet. We're gonna keep live streaming this entire thing. I need to move our telescope. Wow. That's so cool. I'm happy. Are you guys happy? I hope you're happy too. How many people we got on our stream right now?
235.
Awesome.
Isn't that
Yeah.
amazing? Oh my god.
So Terre Haute, we did have shadow bands here, which was really, really cool. That is a huge prominence on the sun right now. Do you see that? This spot right here, that is a solar flare. So sun is super active. We're having a great time. Thanks for being here. I'm gonna check chat again. I have not been able to look at chat in a while. Okay, shadow bands are lines of, we think they're atmospheric interference that form on the ground during totality. So we're not sure why they form, but they do show up when we are looking at things like this. So
Awesome.
okay, let me fix our settings real quick. Default. Drop our gamma back a little bit. Drop our exposure back a little bit. Oh, now you can really see that prominence on the sun.
Yeah, look at that.
Do you see that on the bottom?
It's amazing.
We have a flare.
Wow.
So there's like a it looks like a flare to me. I don't know. I think we have a flare going on, which is amazing.
Oh my god, look at Buffalo right now.
Oh no.
They missed the whole thing.
That sucks. So our friends in Buffalo, we are so sorry you've got clouds today. That's really disappointing. We're gonna take a short break and then we'll be right back.
Wow.
Hey, you guys, smile for the camera. Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Wow.
Huh? You're totally right.
Like,
Okay, welcome back, everyone. Now that we're a little bit further past totality, we're going to check in with everyone. Tell us, if you were in the line of totality, what did you see? Go ahead and post in the comments, and we'd love to hear your stories from this. For us here in Terre Haute, this was quite the experience. It got really cold. The birds are starting to sing again. The birds got really quiet. It has just been absolutely phenomenal. We've taken some really good pictures. I can't wait to share them with you. If you want to see our pictures, go to John C Hook Observatory on Facebook or EES_Hook_Observatory_IND State. So, I don't know, Lila, how do you feel about the eclipse? What did you think?
I felt childlike wonder and joy. I couldn't stop giggling, and I started crying at one point.
It's a really emotional experience. It's been amazing.
Yeah. Oh
What
my
about you,
gosh.
Sean? How did you feel?
I mean, it was awesome. I don't know what more to say about it. But
So for me, this was my first eclipse. I don't know if it's yours first
Yep,
eclipse.
my first eclipse.
So this
yeah.
is our first eclipse here. What about you two? Is this your first eclipse, or have you seen one before?
not like this. This is amazing.
We've never seen, of the 5 of us sitting here, this is the first eclipse we've ever seen like this. So we're really happy you came. We're really happy that you've been watching our stream with us. We're going to keep going all the way through until last contact. Let's get that timeline back up. So last contact today in Terre Haute is going to be at 4:21 p.m. So thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to go back to this real quick and just thank our sponsors quick. So first off, we want to thank NASA and our NASA affiliation. So we are Eclipse ambassadors here in Terre Haute. We also want to thank Indiana State University for sponsoring us. This stream has been phenomenal. We are so grateful that you are here. We also want to thank the Earth and Environmental Systems Department, the Physics Department, and the Math Department. And last of all, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for being here. We're really grateful that you were here and have been experiencing this with us. So I'm going to mute again for a minute, and then we'll be right back. I was muted the whole time. I have been talking for like 2 minutes. I am so sorry. So let me do that again. So we have, even though the totality is over, we're still going to be streaming the entirety of the eclipse. So we'll be done about 4:30 p.m. So totality just happened. We are so grateful you were here with us to watch this. Oh, I wasn't muted. I thought I was muted the whole time. Thank you, Kate. So I've got more people here. I actually want to talk. Let's get back on the telescope view quick. So I want to ask you guys, how did you feel about the eclipse? What did you think of totality? Was that the most amazing thing you've ever seen?
I'm like emotional.
Yeah. We've got a lot of high emotions here. Everyone's having a great time.
My physics professor said that the solar eclipse, the emotion you feel is very similar or close to getting married or having your first kid.
Awesome. I mean, honestly, this was one of the most amazing things I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. How did you feel?
I enjoyed being able to watch like the whole thing compared to like being in high school only being able to go outside for a few minutes. So I like this. It was
Yeah.
nice.
We want to thank Indiana State University and the College of Arts and Sciences for putting on a fantastic event today. I also want to thank Indiana State, the Earth and Environmental Systems Department for helping us out with the eclipse. They have been phenomenal in providing equipment and support. I also want to thank NASA. We are Eclipse ambassadors. We are affiliated today, and it's been wonderful. So thanks for stopping by, and we will be back in just a second. All right, we're back. So welcome in to anyone is here. We are past totality at this point, but we are so grateful that you are still sticking around and hanging out with us. We have a plane going by right now, so if you hear that, that's what you're hearing. We'll do some quick adjustments. We're back up. So this has been a truly monumentous day. We are so happy you're here. We are so happy that you've decided to join us today. I want to thank everyone for being here. I want to thank Indiana State University again. I'd like to thank the Earth and Environmental Systems Department, the College of Arts and Sciences, and NASA. So send us any questions you've got so we can explain anything you need an explanation for surrounding the eclipse. We are, I don't know how far out we are. We're about
an hour left.
20 minutes past totality, and we're about an hour left of the eclipse. So yeah, we've got wonderful weather here in Terre Haute. It's definitely warming up again. I'm gonna put on some sunscreen in a minute, but thanks for stopping by. All right, we are back. We took a little bit of a break just to get some water, get some reset a little bit. But we're back. We're back. Our live stream is still going well, going strong. Thank you to everyone that's still here. We're so grateful for you to be watching with us. We're about 50% off of the sun now. Totality will be over in Terre Haute at 4:21 p.m. So we're going to live stream through the entire end of it. We had a really interesting post, or a really interesting comment from BatBat224. So sometime decades from now, we won't have eclipses anymore. Moon will stay above the Earth at the same spot. That is correct. So yeah, we're gonna have. We are very lucky that our geometry, like heavenly geometry, is the way it is right now. So for total eclipses, we're able to have them because the sun and the moon are the exact right distance apart from each other, but the moon is moving away from the Earth at a steady pace. So about 300 million years ago, the moon was about twice as large in the night sky as it is today, because it was much closer. So in a couple 100 million years, we will not have eclipses more than just annular eclipses. So yeah.
Do folks know that the Earth, the moon is a piece of the Earth?
I don't know. So another fun fact that we can talk about, and this is me as a geologist talking, the moon is actually part of the Earth's core that got ejected into space during a collision with a protoplanet billions of years ago. So the moon is tectonically dead, but we study moon rocks because they are the closest proxy we have to pieces of our inner mantle and core. So yes, it's about 51 centimeters away from when you were born.
Yeah.
So it's about a centimeter per year that it's moving away from us. So not really, it's kind of negligible when you think about it on the short term, but on long time periods, it's moving away from us. So, okay. Let me move our view again. So I'm going to shift one more time. I talked with people down at the quad right now. There is quite the party going on down there. So if you are an Indiana State University student, I would head down there and have some fun. Okay, let me get a picture. And let's adjust our picture a little bit. So we're going to drop our gain back a little bit. There we go. That looks good. So we should start to see that sunspot coming out again. The sunspot, the last time I remembered, it was about here. So as the moon moves across the surface of the sun, that sunspot should come right back out again. It is nice and sunny again, but it's still a little cool. So it should get warmer and warmer. So we're still having a good time out here. Most people have left our area at this point. We had quite a few people hanging around. But for right now, a lot of people seems to be either headed back to home or they are headed down to the quad. So yeah, having a good time though. Still streaming, still having a good time. So we had a question about open houses. So the observatory is open for regular open houses on Thursday nights from 8 to 10 p.m. I'm not sure if we'll do one this week, just because this has been a huge event and we need to recover a little bit from it. Starting next week, for sure, we will have open houses again regularly through the end of the school year. So that should be through probably the first week of May. Our website, you can go to the Earth and Environmental Systems website on Indiana State University. We're listed there. We also have a Facebook, so our Facebook is just John C Hook Observatory. If you search us on Facebook, you can follow us there. We have an Instagram as well. Our Instagram is, I need to look up our exact address, but if you just search Hook Observatory, Indiana State, you should be able to find it as well. Those are the three main, those and Twitch are the three main places you can watch us and follow us. We'll be posting all of the pictures we've taken today. Speaking of which, I need to take another picture real quick. Saved, awesome.
I think Sean has.
Okay, so our Instagram handle is EES_IND_state_hook_observatory. I know that's a mouthful, but you should be able to see us. We have the same profile icon on on the website as we do on all of our other, on our Facebook and our Twitch. So if you follow us there, we'd love that. Wrong way. There we go. So I'm gonna look again. I'm not sure we can see that sunspot yet. It is still not out.
You can kind of very faint. No, you can't. That's my screen.
Not yet.
My phone's broken.
We are still having a great time out here, folks. We are about a half hour out. We are about a half hour out from the end of the eclipse. We are so thankful that you are still here hanging out with us. Again, my name is Paige Havener. I am joined by Sean Donlin and Lila Klatz. And yeah, we're having a great time. It is getting noticeably warmer. As we sit out here, it's definitely getting warmer. I'm going to have to put on sunscreen in a minute so I don't burn to a crisp. It is about 76 degrees here today in Terre Haute and a cloudless sky, so it's beautiful here. I know, hearing from people in New York, you guys have had quite an issue with clouds today. I'm so sorry about that. But we're so grateful that you joined us for ours, so thanks. Take another picture. Let me go over here. Okay, we're back on audio. Sorry about that. I needed to use a restroom quick. Thankfully, we have one about 40 feet from where we are, which is awesome, and it's not a porta potty. So we are slowly approaching last contact with the sun. So the moon is once again moving. It looks like we're starting to have that sunspot. Yeah, that sunspot's come out again right here. So if you look on our stream, you can see that. So it's pretty cool. That sunspot, once again, is an area of really strong solar activity. It's kind of a cool spot on the sun, so it's very cool to look at. We have a lot of yelling going on, so I'm going to mute again. Sorry about that. Thanks for sticking around. So, folks, we have so enjoyed being here with you today. We're going to continue streaming as long as we can. Unfortunately, it looks like we've maxed out our equatorial mount's capabilities of turning, so we might be able to. We will keep on as long as we can with the sun in the view. So that should be a few more minutes. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be able to catch last contact. But we'll be here as long as we possibly can. It's just we can't turn our mount anymore, and we don't want to potentially mess something up. So I appreciate all of you being here. We will be here as long as we possibly can be, and then we will say our goodbyes. So thank you so much for stopping by. We have greatly enjoyed this entire experience, and I am so happy we were able to experience it all with you. Once again, we are Indiana State University's John C Hook Observatory. My name is Paige Havener. I am the observatory director. I'm joined by Sean Donlan, the assistant observatory director, and my very good friend Lila Klatz, who is visiting from New York. We have had a wonderful time here today. We're going to keep streaming as long as we possibly can until we are unable to stream once any longer because we can't see the sun. So I'm going to adjust our gain again, bring it a little brighter. I'm going to up our exposure slightly, get some prominences going, and then let's get this contrast up a little bit more. Let's take one last picture. I'm going to mess with it a little bit more, see if I can get a little bit more of this in the view, but it looks like we are drifting. Nope. Nope. That's as far as we can go, folks. So, hi.
You guys are just doing this.
All right, folks, as the sun drifts out of our field of view, it looks like we're going to have to end our stream a little early. I'm so sorry about that. We are so incredibly grateful for you stopping by today. We've had a fantastic time here. I want to first, before we go, I do want to thank once again the Indiana State University. I want to thank the Earth Science Department at Indiana State University and the Physics Department at Indiana State University. I'd also like to thank NASA for the Eclipse Ambassador program that we were a part of. If you like our live streams and you'd like to watch one again, I hopefully will be able to do one for the full moon coming up, and we can potentially do that once more. And that would be a shorter live stream, but we would love to show it to you. And that would be through the same kind of setup. We also have, if you are local to Terre Haute, Indiana, and the sun is now gone, if you are local to Indiana, we have like Indiana, the Wabash Valley, any of that. We do regular open houses on Thursday nights from 8 to 10 p.m. Let me go back to this screen now that we're gone. We do regular streams, or we do regular events there. We will be doing the Lyrids meteor shower coming up. That's in a couple weeks, so stick around for that. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Paige Havener.
I'm Sean Donlin.
And Lila's somewhere around here. And we are so happy that you were able to join us today. You have a great rest of your day. Go look at the eclipse if you have glasses, and if you're clear. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
And we are done.